You know, we hear your frustration with the state's unemployment system, and we're working to get you answers and results as part of the Rebound Southwest Florida commitment to you. Well, this morning we have some new developments on lawsuits that people have filed against the state. Jessica Alpern has the details.
Yeah, good morning. Well, these developments will likely frustrate the many of you who tell us you're still waiting on the money that you're owed. So a judge has thrown out one of two lawsuits filed over Florida's unemployment system. You may recall these were filed late last month. The one thrown out tried to push the state to fix the unemployment system and make immediate payments to thousands of Floridians. It also asked the judge to step in if the DEO isn't able to fix its Plaid Connect system. But as of yesterday, the judge dismissed all of this, saying there wasn't enough evidence to move forward. Now, our sister station in Tampa spoke with the attorney representing DeSantis, who says there's nothing in Florida statutes that guarantees unemployment checks for all applicants the minute they tell the state they need the money.
There are numerous state law requirements and then federal law requirements that cannot be avoided. Validating Social Security numbers, validating that people are working for actual employers in Florida, salary information.
But one attorney behind the suit says even the governor's actions when speaking to the people of Florida throughout the unemployment crisis prove the lawsuit is a valid one.
50 years ago, we put a man on the moon, but we can't enroll people in an unemployment system that the federal government earmarked $1.6 billion for.
The other of the two lawsuits filed remains active. This one alleges negligence against the state, the DEO, and Deloitte Consulting, who's the company behind the Plaid Connect website. So that's the latest when it comes to these lawsuits, but we'll send it back to Chris in the studio because we still have a lot to talk about this morning when it comes to what's next for those who are unemployed.
Well, Jessica, a Florida labor attorney tells us if your claim is rejected, an appeal is the way to go. But we should also know that's going to take time to get the process started. Before the coronavirus pandemic, when an appeal was filed, you'd get a date for a telephone hearing within maybe 2 or 3 months. But now, with all the appeals and a shortage of staff, a lot of people are getting dates anywhere from 4 to 6 months. As more businesses look to reopen now, people who are unemployed face some strict rules.
That's another issue that's creating some problems, because if the employer invites the employee back and the employee turns down the income through the paycheck, they've turned down viable employment, and unemployment doesn't allow for that.